Okay, this is part 2 to me back trading the VWAP and 50 EMA strategy. On the 3-minute, I will be back trading in Q. That's what I trade, on a daily basis in my Apex account. And that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. So just real quick, the way we do this is we obviously have the VWAP on your chart and the 50 EMA on your chart. And you are looking for a strong move above or below both indicators, and you play the bounce or rejection if both indicators are close together. So just really fast, here's an example of a short you would do. As you can see, price comes down and we wait for it to come back up to the VWAP and 50, and they need to be kind of close together. They don't have to be this close together, but you'll see that. And then you would basically enter either on the line, of the cross, or you could do it a little bit below it to make sure you get filled, and you just short down. And the opposite, you do the opposite basically to go long. So I think this is where I pretty much left off. I'm going to be looking now. Right now, I can tell you for this Monday here, July 8th, it doesn't look like this strategy will be pretty good because the indicators are pretty far apart. So we'll see how close they can actually get. But right now, wow, I'll zoom in like that. So right now, looks like they're trying to make a strong move up. Let's see what happens if they can actually, oof, wow, that's crazy. Yeah, let me go ahead and just play through this because this, okay. So actually, right now it seems like a strong move down, come down. This was kind of crazy right here. Let's see how close these indicators can get together before we try to short. So right now they're very close, and we might have just missed that entry. So now I have kind of a decision to make. Let me wait another candle. That looks like it's going up, and the indicator started kind of separating. What I'll do is I'm just gonna wait. This is like a crazy day on here. Yeah, I'm glad I did not place that. Yeah, you would kind of want the indicators to be a little closer than this, the way I was taught. And I know this may seem like so basic and simple, and if this is just way too simple, or just, not something you'd put a lot of faith in, I get it. And I'm kind of doing a very loose, back trading right now anyways. I'm not sitting here analyzing, the candles and the volume and all this kind of stuff right now. I'm just sort of passing time and also seeing how simple this strategy actually can be. So right now it's a great strong move up. Indicators are too far apart. Yeah, so in this back trading session, I'm only allowed to do this strategy. That's what I'm testing, not anything else. Of course, tons of strategies would have worked here, but that's not what I'm doing. So we're just going to kind of wait, kind of go ahead and play. Yeah, that was a wild day. That was a wild day right there. It wasn't for this particular strategy, or really for any strategy, but for this particular one, this kind of, yeah, you didn't really have anything you could have really played with that strategy alone. So we'll keep going here to the next day. So that was Monday. Let's see if Tuesday will be any better. Okay, I'm making these little lines because this is the first hour, and I usually don't trade the first hour of the market open, but with this strategy, it's fine. All right, let's see what we got. The indicators are really close together right now. really close, so this looks a little more promising. I just don't want to miss the... What I've learned is like, or noticed with this particular strategy, missing the entry is pretty easy to do. And I could have missed it just there. Like, let's see, like this moved up, we came back down. They're pretty close together. You could kind of see that, how close they are. And you basically play that. Let's see if maybe it would retest again. My stop, that's a really, I don't think it'll come, I don't know that it'll come down. Oh, almost there. I'm a little scared actually for this one, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm in. Hopefully this was a strong enough move up. I mean, you got from here all the way up. I mean, I don't know. We'll see, I guess. I'm gonna be aiming for 1.2 basically here. I like that hammer candle closing above everything, which doesn't necessarily mean anything. I see kind of another little pattern kind of trying to form. A pennant-ish pattern. Wow. We came up on that, and I don't quite like this wick. Can't lie. I'm not gonna move the stop yet. I'm just gonna kind of, and I'm doing this like I would kind of do this in real time. Whew. I mean, it's great we got up there, but oh man, I really don't like these wicks. Why are they like that? Why? What? I guess maybe new high. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention while this was playing. I probably should have, but I mean, if this wick gets taken out, I would definitely think we would hit target. Wow. The bulls are like, we're playing. You guys are gonna have to do a little bit more. I'm just drawing this real quick, just to kind of, this could be a fake. You come right down in there. That's a solid candle for the bears right there. Don't quite like that, but we are above the indicators again. Like I said, we've kind of gone up a lot. Yeah. Yep. So if this doesn't work, I definitely will just look for maybe a short. Like maybe we'll make a strong move down, then can come back up, and they're close together, and we can short. Yeah. Oh my God, look at that. That's a crazy hammer handle. I think at this point, I'll move the stop, right? So would have gotten entered here. It's been 24 minutes. I'm not too confident. I mean, there's a double bottom here, neckline, which is where we kind of have been bouncing off of. I'm just going to move the stop up a little bit. This is probably like around 0.7 R stop right there, somewhere around there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what this, wow. That's crazy. Oh, okay. That was really scary though. Is it just me, or was it scary? To me, that seemed a little scary. But that worked. I'm not gonna lie, so far with me back trading this, I'm pretty blown away at how well this kind of works. Even just doing it this simple, like just looking for exactly what I'm looking for and just letting it play out. So that one, wonder if it's gonna go higher. That would be kind of crazy if it did. Now we're coming up, oh my God. Whew, okay. So I'm glad I only targeted 1.2 on that. Only 1.2. Yeah, this, for anybody who was really trying to put a lot of stock in this pennant pattern here, oof, you know, I don't know, that was probably not too good for them. Wow, I mean, we broke out of that, retest, come back up, and just, I know the bulls were probably like, yes, we're doing it. We are breaking out of this pattern, and it is amazing. And we had this bear volume right here, which was quite large. I mean, for a hammer candle to be taken out like this, whew, the bulls just thought they had it. And then it was like, nope, you don't. Now the question is, I think we're definitely going to go down. Now the question is, should I take a chance and wait for this strong move down and short the rejection? I'm scared. I kind of like, if this is, you know, and I'm thinking also about my Apex account, like after something like this, I may just call it a day, you know, hit my 1.2, which is going to be, you know, around a $500 win. May just want to walk away at that point. So made that move down. Oof, I'm scared to do this, but I guess that's why it's back trading. I guess for me, I get a little nervous back trading because I'm like, I don't want to have habits that could form here that I play in real, you know, in my real, in my account, my live account. Don't want to do that. But I'm going to do it just for the sake of just getting these reps in with this strategy. So I'm going to put my stop basically above the high of this huge candle, which has a lot of volume. I mean, maybe just a little bit more above it. Again, I'm going to go for 1.2. Okay, so I'd be in right about there. And this is definitely a small stop. I never have a stop this tight when I'm trading in Q, but I'm also trying to get used to this strategy. Yeah, I don't like that at all. What? No way. No. No, I thought, and I mean, we still can get totally stopped out right now, but just, if I wouldn't have moved my stop a little bit more, I would have hit the target with this candle. Okay. What is this next candle gonna do? Okay, not too bad. This could be the S-curve to come down, roll over. Wow. Sorry about me pausing. I'm just thinking and kind of analyzing. It's hard for me to kind of say exactly what I'm thinking out loud. But there's a lot I'm thinking. Maybe at this point I should move my stop, but let's think about it. Like, I've already secured a pretty solid win. I don't want to lose the whole thing. Maybe, and this is already, I'm iffy still about this trade. I can't believe this candle did this, but I think right here I'll move it just a little bit. Just a little bit so far. Oh man. If this comes down a little bit lower, I'll move it again. So that will be my new stop. Let's see what this next candle does. Wow. Wow. What? I mean, I know this is what this is like, right? Like, you do something like you back trade your strategy and it's like working so well. And then when it comes time to like make real trades, it like doesn't work. Oh, I don't know why that happens like that. But so that's a win, and I would be done for the day for real. Like, I would not be taking any more trades at all, no matter what the setup looks. Now, well, we'll just pretend that trade's already closed, so I can't. What I was gonna say, what I could have done on this is what I did on Friday, which was so scary for me, which I left a runner on the trade. So basically at target, I exited all of my contracts except for one, and I let that run. You know, you let it run to some sort of support or something, or if I had my other EMAs on here, maybe we'll let it run to, you know, EMA, but let's just see if that would have worked out, like going back. Just going for a little bit, like leaving one contract open. Anyways, so let's just see if leaving a runner till at least this point, if I could secure that win. Oh, at that point, also, if I've closed out, I forgot how I was taught is after you've closed out most of your position, you go ahead and you move your stop into the green. So you're not losing on the trade at all. Even if this comes back, it's fine. I just want to see. Oof, I'm probably, okay. Okay, let's see. Wow, so that would have worked too. That is crazy. Okay, so would have won even more, a little more than I did on this. Okay, well, let's go ahead and let this day play out. Wow, imagine holding this trade like all the way down here, like letting that runner go, and just, I'm sure there's some sort of EMA down here too. I just don't, again, I'm just trading the strategy strictly. I'm not doing anything else. So, but maybe like the daily 10 was somewhere down here, or the, you know, some kind of EMA that we could have targeted to go down to. Jeez Louise. That's awesome. That is awesome sauce. Okay, I'm just going to add in the low and high of the trading session that I was in on each day. I'm going to add that in there just to see what price is doing around these levels with this strategy. Okay, so again, let me relook at this. So we have come up. And wow, we're still climbing. Okay. These indicators are too far apart right now, so let me go ahead and let it play out. Okay. They're coming a little closer together. This is definitely the strong move up. They're a little too far away for my liking, unless something happens and they just really, you know, get close. I don't really like that. Trying to make that strong move down now. Wow, we've taken out. Wow, this is, I would think we're gonna go down. So maybe, okay, I just want to see if these indicators can get a little closer together. Okay. Okay, they're really close. So now we'll plan to get in on the rejection. Okay, a little nervous again. It's like wondering, you know, is it going to come all the way back up here again? Okay, now I need to kind of start thinking now about where I would get in. So you could get in, you know, you try to get it as close as you can to there. Where would I put my stop? That's a crazy bear candle. And it did get taken out with this volume. Maybe I might lose. Okay. Let me not get ahead of myself. Yeah, I'll wait for it to come up here. I may miss this. I may miss this trade. Oh, it came up. So now we'll just see what happens. Okay, coming up a little bit. What day is this? Wednesday? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. All right. That's okay. So that just totally blasted through. And I'm sure if I could really just sit here and look at this, it would make sense why maybe that happened. Again, not being able to see other EMAs or what we're around right now is a little hard, but that's okay. All right, so lost 1R on that. Now I can only take one more trade. That's my rules that I've set for myself. I love this double bottom right here. considering getting in long. The thing is, I think the thing also that I'm maybe struggling with a little bit is what's considered a strong move above or below. Like, I think this looks really good going below and then waiting. Like, is from here to here, it's good. Like, it is pretty strong, I guess. But maybe not enough time has passed. Maybe that's why I don't like it. But I'm considering flipping and going long right here. Let me wait for another candle to see what that looks like. Nice. Let's see. At this area of consolidation. I don't know. I just don't feel good about it. Let's see, if it went a little higher, then came back, maybe I would like it more like it's doing kind of now. It's like inching a little higher, inching a little higher. It's a lot of volume here in this candle. And at this point, it's already kind of later in the day. The EMAs are separating. Yeah, so basically this was it here. You'd have to get in right here, play that up, which I just became a little skeptical and didn't take action on that. So I'll let the rest of the day play out. Wow. The bulls were not playing around. They weren't playing around on this day. And looking back, I guess, you know, this was a lot of bull volume. So, I mean, maybe, and then this, you know, these candles just kind of boomed through it. Maybe that was really a strong move. Maybe that was a lot stronger than I realized. Okay, so this is pretty wild. A little bit before 8:30, which is the market open for me. We have this crazy thing here. The bulls are like, we are gone. But I don't know, I feel like, where's that strong move down? Where is that at? All right, we might be making it here. So now I kind of wanted to see it coming down a little further though. The indicators are really close together, which is cool. Dang, this might be it. I might miss this one too. Whoa. I'm gonna wait one more candle. That was it. Okay. Let's see if I can get in. Let's do that. Play a 1.2 and leave a runner. Let's see if it'll pull back halfway, you know, a little over halfway into this candle, and we keep going down. So the first time I've done this on this strategy where I wait a little later to get in. Did not come up. Yeah, missed that, I think. Dang it. Okay. This was a lot of volume here. Coming back up, but I don't really want to play it. Like, I don't want to do it the second time. Like, that would have been it. That would have been it. And I feel like if it comes up again, the bulls will just push it, you know, up higher. Look at that. Wow. Wow. That's really crazy. All right, let me just go ahead and play the rest of this day. See, so like, this is a great example though. Like we look for that move down, come back. You could even short it here, but that's, I wanted to see more. So come down, this was it. So even without the EMAs, like what I could have done, right, is get in somewhere here or here to make sure I'm gonna get filled or something. I'd have my stop probably above this little area here, and then go for my 1.2 or 1.3. Let's say 1.3. Would have got out of all of my contracts except for one and would have left a runner and targeted yesterday's low a day. Look at that. That would have been amazing, but didn't do it. So I'm gonna say M right here for missed. It's so crazy because I was looking to go short too. So that was the start. Let's see if they can push it down a little more. So I will just be looking for a strong move down. That's kind of my bias for right now. Look at this nice double top. Maybe that will work out. I don't know. Nice indecision candle right there. Two of them, really. What is gonna happen? Bulls said, you guys thought you were trying, but wow. That's actually incredible. So I think this is going up. Wow. Yeah. Yep. Just. Yeah, I mean, this is just too. So this is what I was talking about. This is what's kind of tough. I mean, the last video I made, it was real easy to see those new big pushes up or pushes down, and then, you know, shorting or going long off of the bounce or rejection. But it's like, how do you consider like this a strong move above the indicators? I mean, I guess maybe from back. You know what? I'm so stupid. I mean, this hammer is a great hammer doji, whatever you want to call it. I mean, that was quite the sign here. I mean, even because usually how you play hammer candles, how I was taught, is if you just wanted to play hammer candles, you get in above it, you put your stop below the low, the wick, and you target 1.2 or whatever. So that was a strong move. All of that was, see, in real time, you know, like just live trading, I probably would have seen that because you have so much time to like look at everything that I probably would have went back and seen that. And so we come up and the retest of that strategy was right here, which, yeah, that was so good. We had two of these indecision candles. Price comes up, we retest that, and then the VWAP and 50 are right there, and you just get in somewhere in this area and hold. Yeah, so I missed that one. Dang. You know, I think I'm missing it also because I'm just, for some reason, I'm not feeling confident. This is almost like too simple of a strategy. Like, I'm like, it needs to be more complicated. I think, I don't know, it's almost too simple. So we're getting further apart, so I'm not looking to do anything there. And the end of this day is coming up right about now, which is so funny because it's ending, but we have a really great strong move down for both of the indicators. By the time it comes back up, these are actually a little closer together. You know, that's It's actually kind of crazy. Maybe that's a telltale for what could happen the next day. But before that, let me go ahead and move. Would love for this to continue coming down and then to come back up. These are closer together, short, down. That's what I would love to see. I would think if we continue going up above this volume here on this this area, then yeah, I guess going long would be cool too. I just have to wait though for that strong move up, and then they have to be closer together to play that bounce. But I kind of want to look for short though. Can't lie about it. Market open. Let's see, are the bulls going to have enough steam to push this up? So far, it looks like they are. Well, or not. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, so I mean, yeah, it's a strong move. I would not have played this. Like, to me, and actually, if you are saying, like, if you look at this and you're like, yes, that was a strong move up, you know, let me know. Maybe I'm just looking at it wrong. I mean, now as it's going up, I'm looking at it more of a stronger move up, but maybe this was it, right? So this could have been it, or this could have been it right here. These hammer candles could have gotten somewhere in between these indicators. Stop could have been below this low, targeted 1.3 or whatever. And I mean, even that worked. I want it to be very clear. And to me, this isn't very clear, but I could be wrong again. Now this move, I'm liking this. I'd like it to go a little bit, maybe just higher, then come back, and I would like to see these come together a little bit more. So let's see if that can happen. Also, right around where these hammers are, that'd be cool. Let's see. Oh, no, they're getting away from each other. Why do they do that? Someone explain to me. Why is it that, like EMAs, like shorter EMAs, a lot of times they will, as a move is happening strongly, they kind of like stay a pretty good distance like to each other. Like, why is it the VWAP and this EMA like go further apart the stronger the move is up? It's kind of weird to me. I don't know. Maybe I just don't know. Yeah. So my whole thing with this, also, if I didn't say this in the beginning, which I don't think I did, is I'm trying to do this with, you know, the other strategy that I have, which I do love, which is my 10 EMA strategy. So I'm just trying to get a real feel for this VWAP and 50 EMA strategy. It's not my main one. What I've noticed so far, like in live trading, is like if I'm not seeing my setup, my 10 EMA setup, you know, within the first hour or right at 9:30 for me, sometimes I've noticed that this strategy is setting up, or vice versa. So I'm trying to kind of like use them together in a sense. It's a little tough. This is a tougher back trading session, but kind of getting it done here. Oh, wait a second. Before I keep going, so this is a new Monday. So what I'm actually going to do is this. I'm going to sort of tally up the R's I would have made this week just taking this strategy, which doesn't seem like I would have made much, but would have been pretty good for my apex. So no trade on Monday. On Tuesday, so this was actually a really good day. So on Tuesday, so with just using the VWAP and the 50 EMA strategy, this I would have had almost 2 Rs for this week if I only traded this and I took, obviously in real time, the trades that I had on here, which was really mainly Tuesday and Wednesday. I think after this loss here, I got a little frazzled, and for the most part, this back trading is pretty accurate to how I trade in real time. So this is not far-fetched for what I would have ended up, actually making, for the week. Obviously, there were some definite missed opportunities I could have had to make a better thing, but I guess I'm trying to just build my confidence up with this. So I'm okay with that. So no trade on Monday. I have to start marking what I missed, right? So let me start going ahead and really getting serious about marking. So I did miss, I'm not going to count this one, but how should I? I'll count this move, this little move up, these little 3 candles and then these hammer candles. So getting in somewhere here, the stop would definitely be below the low of so far right there, and like that. I would have hit maybe 1.2. Let's just say 1.2. Maybe I would have left a run, or maybe I wouldn't have. Okay, so that was a missed opportunity, right? So now let's go to Tuesday. Okay, so I'm going to try to maybe play a little aggressively here. I may just play the moves that I think are those strong moves. Are they not strong moves? I may just kind of start playing those. Let's see. Need this to come a little closer together. Okay, so what I'll do is I will get in above where this candle has closed. So in real time, as this candle is closing, I would be setting up this trade right here. Now my stop, how long would this be going under this hammer? Okay, I mean, that's kind of like my usual stop anyways when I'm doing the 10 EMA strategy like that. 1.2 would be right here. So I'll only get entered. This would basically be a stop order. I'd get entered above. So price has to come back up here, and it might do it on this candle. Let's see. Yeah, I'll put it even a little higher. Right there. So let's see. So would have gotten filled. I'll have to be prepared to flip if that doesn't work. Also, I've just realized the indicators, they are close together, but they're almost looking like they're trying to separate right now. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, that's so weird when the candle doesn't finish. All right, so let's see. Wow. 2 nice hammer candles. Got a nice big candle here with an indecision and 2 hammer candles. It's like the bulls are trying to load up or something, right? But let's see if they get taken out here. Sure did. Okay, 1 R loss right there. Maybe should have been... And y'all give me some tips if you... Like my stop management. A lot of times I let my trades just play out. I don't move my stop for a while. So now this is sort of looking like a short. This hammer candle got taken out. Let's see if we can come down a little bit more and then come back up. Indicators are nice and close together, so I won't mind trying to do that. But it has to start coming back up now, or else I think these indicators will start separating, which I won't like. That's a super strong move. That's crazy. Okay, let's see. We need price to start going up now. Okay. Oof. I would love to get this R back here. Kind of just hanging out. This is where I would be looking for setups a lot of times, usually after an hour, first hour of the market open. First hour, am I saying that? I'm saying that weird. Anyways, I'm just gonna wait, and I want to make sure I kind of get filled here. So this is a lot of bear volume, and they did go down, but okay, we'll see. Anyways, I want to get filled. Where should I put my stop? Man, up here again? Should I do a bigger stop again? On this one, if it's a winner, I will leave like a runner. I'm just saying it out loud if it happens. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. I'll let it try to come up as far as it can. I don't want to miss the entry if it actually goes up all the way over there, which it doesn't look like. Okay. I need another nice candle. Oh no, that might have been it. Just go one more time. I'm kind of feeling like I want to lower this stop a little bit. Oh no. No! It's leaving me. No. No. Okay, hammer candle. I kind of don't like that. Maybe bulls can just blow right up, blow this right up. And the indicators are starting to kind of like separate a little bit, but they are so close together still. What do I do? What do I do? Oh man. So order's still up. Maybe should have canceled it. I know on this I don't want to lose another full R. But you know, this is almost looking like that other day where it just blasted through the stop. Let's see what one more candle looks like. Not liking that. Would love to see a nice bear candle now. Okay. Okay. It's not so terrible. Let me look at this. Oh man. So yeah, if we get too much above, because this would be like if we come up and it's, you know, making its way more up, that would then to me be more of a strong bull move, you know, above it, and then maybe we would wait for that bounce to go back up. So the bears would really need to like come through right now. That's what I think. I could be just, I don't know, saying something just to say something, but we'll see. Okay. I'm not too crazy about that candle. I'm gonna be honest with you. What's the halfway? Yeah, if we could just close below this little line here, I think I'd feel a little bit better. But I just have a feeling this next candle, the anticipation. Okay. We've closed below that level. At this point, I definitely gonna move the stop. Again, I don't want to lose a full R again on the second trade. That's not what I want to do. Yeah, and at this point, I've been in the trade, basically. It's only been 12 minutes, so now I would love to see something come down here and close. That would be great. I don't like that. I'm just telling you, I'm telling everybody watching, I don't like that. No, no. What do I do? Okay. Man, this thing's just like, it's just like plays, playing tricks. It got down to here where I was saying, and it wasn't able to close. Should I just exit? Should I exit and this would be a smaller losing day, or should I just really hold out? One thing I can look at is maybe this wasn't as strong of a move up because this would be the bounce area for the bulls. And they wouldn't let it go too far past before coming up. I mean, if we can come down a little lower. Okay, yeah. Okay. I'm feeling a little better about that. Okay. Make sure this is 1.2. And on this one, I will leave a runner, right? The target gets hit. I will leave one runner and I will move my stop into the green somewhere and I will just see what else I could get. Because if we take out this low here, oh no, which candle is it? Well, I guess we already did. I took that out. If we can take out this hammer candle and like close below it, I'll be really happy. Not quite liking that candle as much. Okay, we need something to just go through. It may pull up. It may pull up a little bit. I'm sure you're hearing me, and I don't know, I'm just like going through it right now. Okay, we weren't able to take out this low here. I'll move my stop again. This time, like, right, so basically right around that 50% mark, 0.5 R loss. This might be too tight. It could very well come right up here, stop me out and turn around. But what I like, what I like is that the indicators are separating. I like that a little more. I don't know quite what that means yet, but I do like it for some reason. This is some nice bare volume here. What time is it? Okay, 10:42 a.m. I'm struggling right now on this session, this back trading session. I don't like this. Wow, I don't like this. I just think the bulls are going to do something crazy. Yeah. Okay, we closed back under that level I was talking about. Is it bad that I don't look at the price? I keep saying like this area, that area, but I know like a lot of people are like, they say the price. I know I need to get more in a habit of doing that. Okay. Should I just go like really fast? I kind of like this, like going slow like this, because it builds like that real emotion that I will feel, that I feel in a real live trade. So I kind of like this, but actually I take that back because, well, I take it back a little bit because a lot of times I walk away. Like I'm not sitting here just looking at the charts like the whole time. If we can really just close below this now, I think I'll hold. I'll move my stop again. There it is. Okay. Oh my God. My God. Why was that stressful? That was so stressful. Oh my God. So I did say I would leave a runner. So at this point, I want to see how much I could freaking get from this move. I think we would come down, and it's like, but what do we what do I? So this is why I need some more. You know, I'm gonna do a back trade session after this video, I think, where I'm gonna put some more EMAs on, and then like I'll have like more targets I could, you know, target and stuff like that. I mean, I could just simply just target a little under the low. let's see how that goes so far. But now my stop will, whoops, didn't mean to do that. My stop will be moved into the grain, but where? Okay, so just above the 50 EMA, all right? And if we come down here, I'll move it a really large chunk down and just keep trying to hold for as long as I can. I hope this doesn't just turn around and hit the stop. Don't like that hammer candle right there. I don't like that hammer candle at this support. So we need to get below that, please. Okay, I will take that. I will take that. Okay. So we got down there. I'm going to move this sucker. I'm telling you, I'm moving this like right there, right? Where do we target? Where do I target? I could do like fibs, right? I could do like fibs. What do we have back here? We have, could target, well, we're kind of already right there. Also, let's see. Let's see. Maybe the top of this area. Maybe like right there, something like that. Okay. So what would that be? Go all the way down here. Oof, I don't know. I could do that. I mean, obviously, I still am winning on this trade, but I would want to win as much as I could on this runner. Could have moved the stop a little too tight. Let's see if we can push through all of this here. What's happening? We'd love that. This has a lot of bare volume right here, which, I mean, that's why I have my stop here. Because if it gets taken out, I would think we would be coming back up a little bit more. Like that. Just one more little push. We have 3 bare candles in a row. Ooh. Ooh. Don't quite like that. One more candle. Dang it, that's okay. Double bottom looks like it's trying to form. Okay. Now it doesn't look like that so much. We gotta try to really close below this, like right now. Let's see. Nope. Okay. One more candle, and then I'm gonna get out. Yeah. So I'll be out. I'm not even gonna let it hit the stop. I wouldn't do that in real life. And so basically, somewhere on this candle. So really, I don't know. That wasn't the greatest hold. I don't know. I was too scared. That was not the greatest hold. Pretty much got out for what I would have gotten out for if I would have got out. Closed the position right here at one time. So, or it would have been a little. So I got a little bit more, but like this move. I liked this. I liked this, come down closer together and play it long, maybe for a really short thing. Short trade, maybe. Very, very short, like a scalp. So on this day, I got up. You know, the thing that's great about this is that I won back a little more than what I lost on that first trade. I feel like, again, this is like the short I've been wanting, you know, been looking for. So we have definitely come down. That's cool. Indicators are very far apart from each other, so don't know what's going to happen here. Wow. So they're coming together a little bit more. No trade day for Wednesday. wouldn't mind taking a nice little long trade coming up soon. But we need, this is a nice move up from the 50 and the VWAP. We just need them to kind of start coming closer together. Wow, could this be another short day? I mean, maybe some people would argue this is a strong move. I mean, it is a strong move down. And you come up, could short. You have these indecision candles, so you could play it like get below the low or high. I was taught to play indecision candles as you would get below the low if you have a kind of a short bias and put your stop up like a little bit above it. Kind of like playing hammer candles. But I would probably do something like that. But I'm not doing that, right? Maybe some people would, but I just don't think these indicators are close enough together for me. I could be wrong. This could have been great. Also, indecision candles, a lot of times they fake out. I mean, so far they didn't. It didn't. Actually, that would have been maybe a decent trade. For a quick 1.2. I just don't like I don't like all this consolidation that's happening around the indicators right now. Again, that could just be my naive self, but whatever. Yeah, so that was the move. Didn't do that. Didn't take it, and now I'm just going to, so yeah, I guess that was the move, right? So this was the move down, they come a little bit closer together. You could have played these indecision candles or whatever, or you could have played this right here to short, and that would have looked something, why was it doing that? It could have looked something like that. Could have left a nice runner, and there you go. Okay, again, I'm kind of wanting to go long. I don't know, I just don't quite want to really go short. And again, we're at the same question. Was this a strong move? Like, was this the strong move? This was the pullback and this is the bounce? Oh, man, it's tough. And we are just straight up consolidating and ripping and running through both the VWAP and 50. I would guess there's some kind of bigger EMAs somewhere here. I don't know. It hasn't quite made a decision yet. We do kind of see something. Do see something like that. I forget what this is called. This is not a wedge, right? This is like I don't know what this is. Some kind of, is it a descending triangle? Okay. I mean, if we break all of this, and maybe we'd feel a little better going short, but maybe I've already missed it. Like I've already missed the entry. Again, this is just not clear so far. Okay. So that's stronger. We could come up, and as long as these stay pretty close together. But I said I was looking for longs, huh? So, I mean, oh man, that would have been it. So basically it would be, you would have to get in somewhere again in this area. My stop would go above this here. And come down. Okay, I'll set, I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose again. And there's even like a double bottom right here. So I'm kind of like a little worried that we come down right to this neckline and bounce. This is also strong bull volume right now, even though there is a wick, so there's some selling pressure. Let's just see. If it makes it back up, I'll be in the trade. and we'll just see. Okay, so I'd be in. And this is Friday. This could have been faking out a lot of bears here. Okay. Wow. Okay. So hit that target, and that's actually a almost 1.4 R win. Should I leave a runner? I mean, if we get below this like weird looking double bottom, then we are at a low here. Do we have anything below us? Hang on, first let me, well, never mind. Yeah, I mean, I'll leave a runner. I'll put the stop up here. I'll leave a runner and let's see its target. I don't know, right here. Or is those lines that I was, I deleted them. It doesn't matter. Okay. Let's see if we can get a little bit more on this trade. Because I did lose. Did I lose this week? On this, I think I did. And it's a Friday. Maybe the bears are just saying, yeah, we'll go. Ooh, Lord. Nice wick. I don't think I can do it. I don't like it. Hopefully, so I moved back up, and if we come down, and I would exit, right, that last contract. But now I have a feeling that may not happen. It's right there. Okay, there. I'm out. Maybe I was just too scared. Probably. And that will be it. That would be the last, I think it was 0.6R win. So that would be it. And of course, on the times I get kind of scared, it probably would work out the hold, which it did a little bit. Oh, no. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it did. I would have gotten stopped out though. I would have probably gotten stopped out. So where did I have it? I had it right there. Would have kept holding, and somewhere on this move, unless I would have gotten out here, fully out, which maybe I would have at this consolidation here. I mean, probably after this little doji candle, I probably maybe would have got out. But if I didn't, I would have let myself get stopped out. And if I would have moved it again after all this, I would have probably moved it maybe somewhere here. I don't know. So, I mean, it's okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, wait, this is Friday, right? So let me actually calculate what I did for this particular week back trading. So with this strategy for this particular week, I would have been up 1.66R for just doing this VWAP strategy and not really like thinking too deeply about it, just using discretion and just waiting for those. Really, I guess it's trying to determine what's a strong move. Like what's a strong move above or below? Like what's strong enough to play a bounce or rejection? I think that's what I'm kind of struggling with right now with this. And it's probably staring me in the face. Maybe one of you can help me. Or maybe I should probably just ask somebody that, the person that actually showed me this. I really should actually. I probably will actually. I'll probably just ask them, like, what's considered a strong move to you? And what's too small of a move for you to play a bounce or rejection, long or short, off of just this strategy. But this, along with my 10 EMA strategy, this could really help me because it could help me make some pretty good progress. It's not the fastest progress, but it is steady enough, I think, to get me to some payouts. So the thing that I'm realizing I'm struggling with not so much on the 10 EMA strategy, maybe yeah, a little bit there too, but on this one it's what's a strong move and stop management. Anyways, yeah, I gotta edit this and let me know what you think. I know this is super basic how I'm doing this and probably very almost like elementary level, but I don't know. I like to see something work in the most simple form without having to use a ton of brain power. And I like trying to see what a strategy does in that way first before I start trying to add more things to it to make it, stronger, which is really more complicated and, but in real time, I definitely would not be I would be using a little more brain power, I will say. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of this video. Do you like this? I mean, I'm gonna keep doing these videos because they're like helping me. But for now, I will get off of here, edit this video, and yeah, I'll be back on probably tomorrow to see if we can get this eval. We can turn this eval to a PA account with Apex. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.